Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to remove a photo on a Mac computer using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use terminal, execute the commands with the input to obtain the output. So we can now start this tutorial. We can now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal, which should be built into the Mac computer. If not, you can download, however, it will be built in. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window. Command plus a couple of times. Let's now decrease the size of terminal to simultaneously see what is happening on the left and right of the screen. So, the idea of this tutorial is to show you how to remove a photo on terminal using the terminal command. So let's now navigate to the desktop. Before we do that, let's just list everything on screen. ls-l, cd desktop, and we now want to also navigate to the work folder which is on the desktop. W, tab, and list all at the same time. ls-l. Before we delete an image in the work folder, let's just go to the desktop, click on the work folder, and we are looking to delete an image. Let's just move an image from the desktop, highlight, right click, copy photo.png, go to the work folder, and now paste item. That's pasted. ls-l, and there is photo. To now remove the photo itself, in the previous tutorial, which will be available at the end of this video, we demonstrated how to remove a directory. For the command for this tutorial, it's only rm. rmdir was to remove the directory. However, for this tutorial, we only require rm to remove the photo. So, rm p tab photo .png, return, and there you can see, let's just go back to the work folder. The photo itself has now been removed completely from that folder itself. We can now quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.